Welcome to a very quick call quality test of Noise Buds VS202. Let me first give you a fast preview of the test to come. The Noise Buds VS202 is already connected to the OnePlus 80 here. A call will be placed between the OnePlus 80 and OnePlus 6 here. The set call will be recorded on the OnePlus 6 and from the recording you can assess the call quality yourself. I will start by placing the call. I will wear the earbuds by the time the call is connected. You can see on the OnePlus 80 that the audio is being routed through the Noise Buds VS202. The recording phone, which is the OnePlus 6, will be muted to avoid feedback audio. I will now take the call. I will place the phone in mute and start recording. This is a call quality test done on Noise Buds VS202. This call is being recorded on 28th February 2022. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Let me just cut the call. The recording is now complete and I will play it now.
Start recording. This is a call quality test done on Noise Buds VS202. This call is being recorded on 28th February 2022. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Let me just cut.
From hearing the recording, I feel that the words being spoken can be understood fairly, but the quality is a bit lacking. I will now play the audio again to show you what I mean.
Start recording. This is a call quality test done on Noise Buds VS202. This call is being recorded on 28th February 2022. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Let me just cut.
So that's it with this call quality test. Thanks for watching. Have a happy day.